Wysa is an AI-powered mental health platform, and if you're considering using it, there are a few things you should know before taking the plunge. I'll walk you through 7 key factors to help you make an informed decision. Stick around till the end, because I'll also share how you can try it out for free with the best offer available. First things first, Wysa is an AI-powered chatbot designed to support mental well-being. Unlike many competitors, like Talkspace or BetterHelp, Wysa doesn't offer a direct connection to a therapist, but instead, it uses artificial intelligence to guide you through self-help tools. While it lacks a live person, its AI is designed to simulate therapy and coaching, helping you cope with anxiety, depression, and stress. If you're comfortable with digital interaction and just need a bit of support, this could be a game changer. Next thing you need to know is Wysa's approach to mental health. The app is built on cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, mindfulness, and other psychological techniques to help you manage your emotions. Compared to other mental health apps, like Calm or Headspace, which focus mainly on meditation and relaxation, Wysa is more structured in terms of the support it offers. It's not just about calming you down, it's about helping you work through your thoughts and emotions with tangible exercises, which can be very effective for long-term change. The third thing to consider is the level of personalization. Wysa's AI learns about your moods and mental health over time, allowing it to tailor its responses and suggestions. This personalization aspect sets it apart from many other mental health apps that offer one-size-fits-all solutions. In fact, Wysa is often praised for its ability to adjust its tone and suggestions based on your specific needs. That said, it's important to remember that while it's a great tool for self-care, it's not a replacement for professional therapy if that's what you're seeking. Now let's talk about privacy. Wysa takes user confidentiality seriously, offering secure data encryption to ensure that your mental health information stays private. If you compare it to other platforms, you'll find that it provides the same level of protection as top-tier services like Talkspace. However, it's important to always read the terms and conditions, especially regarding data sharing with third parties. But on the whole, Wysa ensures that your conversations stay between you and the AI. Next, let's talk about accessibility. Wysa is available on both iOS and Android, so you can have access to mental health support right from your pocket. This makes it a convenient option for people on the go or those who prefer accessing mental health support privately. Plus, the app is available worldwide, and it can be a great alternative for people who don't have access to in-person therapy due to location or cost. The sixth thing to note is that Wysa isn't a free app. While it does offer a free trial, the full set of features is behind a paywall. However, the pricing is relatively affordable compared to traditional therapy services. If you compare it to other apps with similar capabilities, Wysa is priced quite reasonably. But if you're unsure about the commitment, it's worth trying out the free trial first to see if it fits your needs. And finally, the seventh thing to know is the overall user experience. The app is user-friendly and easy to navigate. The interface is clean, and it doesn't overwhelm you with too much information. It's designed to be intuitive, so you can focus more on your mental health rather than figuring out how to use the app. If you're someone who's easily frustrated with complicated apps, you'll likely appreciate how straightforward Wysa is. If you're interested in trying Wysa, don't forget to click the first link in the description to access the best free trial and get some exclusive benefits. The AI is designed to help guide you through mental health challenges in a personalized and secure way. And with the offer I've linked, you'll get the most out of your experience. So, if you're looking for a mental health tool that offers structure, personalization, and affordability, Wysa could be exactly what you need. Give it a try today.